Whether you're giving a presentation at work, giving a speech at a wedding, or just having a conversation with friends, speaking with energy can really help you to capture your audience's attention and make your message more engaging and more important. So, here are 5 techniques for being more energetic while speaking. Number 1. Your opening words set the tone for your entire speech, so make sure they pack a punch. Try starting with a strong statement, an interesting fact, or even a joke to grab your audience's attention right off the bat. Number 2. Your body language and gestures can play a significant role in how energetic you come across while speaking. Use your hands and arms to emphasize points, and stand up straight and make eye contact with your audience. Number 3. Varying the tone and pace of your speech can keep your audience engaged and prevent them from getting bored. Use a slower pace when you want to emphasize a point, and a faster pace when you want to build excitement. Number 4. Using imagery and storytelling can help to make your message more engaging and memorable. Try to paint a picture in your audience's mind by describing a scene, and use storytelling to make your points more relatable. Number 5. Practice and rehearsal can help you to feel more confident and comfortable when speaking, which in turn can make you come across as more energetic. Practice your speech in front of a mirror, or, even better, in front of a friend or family member. By using these 5 techniques, you can become more energetic while speaking and captivate your audience. Remember to start strong, use gestures, vary your tone, use imagery and storytelling, and most importantly, keep practicing. Well, that was it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.